guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving question 51 to question 55 of the AKWA Provocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2016. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, please do so right now to get access to more videos like this. Okay, are you ready? I am ready. Okay, so let's begin. Question 51 says, type of feed that is low in fiber and are easily digested by farm animals is dash. A. Chaff. B. Roughages. C. Concentrate. D. Straws. So for us to be able to find the correct answer to this, we need to know the meaning of the following options. Okay, so the first one is chaff. Chaff is the dry, scaly protective casing of the seeds of cereal grains. It is the husk surrounding the seed. It is the part of the grain that is generally thrown away. Cereal crops like rice, barley, oats, and wheat is surrounded by this husk. Okay, so roughages are animal feeds that have high concentration of slowly degradable fiber. This includes pasture grasses, hays, silage, root crops, straw, and corn stalks. This means that chaff is not the answer, roughages is also not the answer. Okay, so what about concentrates? Concentrates are animal feeds that is prepared from cereals and other materials used in feeding farm animals. They contain less than 18% crude fiber and more than 60% total digestible nutrients. They are less bulky and have higher digestibility. So you can see that concentrates are the types of feed that is low in fiber and it is easily digested by farm animals. It is less bulky and have high digestibility. So that means that concentrate is the answer. Okay, but before we choose the answer, let's learn the meaning of the last option, which is straw. So straw is an agricultural byproduct consisting of the dry stalks of cereal plants after the grain and chaff have been removed. Okay, so the correct option here is concentrate. Type of feed that is low in fiber and are easily digested by farm animals is concentrate. So the correct option is option C. Check. Question 52. Dash is an example of trace element. A. Carbon. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Iron. Okay, so first of all, what are trace elements? Trace elements are elements that are needed in small quantities. Examples of trace elements are iron, manganese, copper, zinc, and so on. Okay, so that means that iron is an example of trace element. So iron is the correct option. Carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen are major elements because they are needed in large quantities, but iron is a trace element because it is needed in small quantities. So the correct option is option D, iron. Iron is an example of trace element. Check. Question 53. Source of farm power available during the day is dash. A. Solar. B. Wind. C. Electrical. D. Water. So what kind of power is available during the day? Of course, it is solar. So solar is the energy from the sun. This energy can be converted to electrical energy. Okay, so it can be converted to produce electricity. So the source of farm power available during this day is solar because sun is available during the day. So the source of farm power that is available during the day is solar because solar has to do with energy from the sun. So the correct option here is solar, which is option A. Source of farm power available during the day is solar. Check. Question 54. In an experiment to show holding capacity of sandy, clay, and loamy soil, which of the following is not part of the experiment? A. Funnel. B. Filter paper or cotton wool. C. Measuring cylinder. D. Conical flask. So first of all, what is this water holding capacity about? Water holding capacity is an experiment that is used to show the retention capability of a soil. So all of the following are needed for carrying out the water holding capacity experiment. a measuring cylinder. This is a measuring cylinder. Funnel, where the soil is placed. Okay, cotton wool is there. Okay, then water is also needed. Okay, so these are the things that are needed for water holding capacity experiment. Okay, so the soil is put into the funnel, and then water is poured into it. A known quantity of water is poured into it. Okay, and is left for about 20 minutes for the water to drain. Okay, so after 20 minutes you measure the water that was drained. Okay, so this is how you know the water holding capacity of a soil. So this experiment has shown that clay can retain water. It retains water the most. Okay, so it has the highest water retention ability, or the highest water holding capacity, next to loamy soil, then sandy soil. Because of the large pores in sandy soil has the least water holding capacity. This could be the sandy soil, this is the loamy soil, and then this is the clay soil. Okay, so this is the experiment, and these are the things that are needed: funnel, water, cotton wool, and measuring cylinder. So conical flask is not a part of this experiment. Okay, so the correct option is option D, conical flask. Conical flask is not a part of the experiment to show water holding capacity of sandy, clay, and loamy soil. So the correct option is option D. Check. Then to the final question in this video, question 55. Dash is the total sum of all activities involved in the flow of agricultural produce from the farm to the consumer. Okay, so agricultural marketing are all the activities involved in moving an agricultural product from the farm to the consumer. Okay, so the correct option here is marketing. So marketing is the total sum of all activities involved in the flow of agricultural produce from the farm to the consumer. Okay, so the correct option is option A. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.